An explosion occurred at an illegal firecracker factory in the Banmore police station area of Madhya Pradesh on Thursday, an official said. Inspector General, Chambal Range, Rajesh Chawla confirmed the news. He spoke to ANI that 3 persons had died, 7 sustained injuries in the incident. A few people were suspected to be buried under the debris of the factory, Chawla added. On getting the information about the incident, the police and the administrative officials reached the spot along with JCB, and the rescue operation was underway. IG Chawla said, "Firecrackers for Diwali were being made in the factory. The entire building was damaged in the blast."